Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to draw an Audi RS7. Start by lightly sketching a long, low rectangle to define the car's overall body. This initial shape sets the foundation for your drawing. Next, establish the wheelbase, which should be approximately 2/3 of the total length of your rectangle. Then, mark the car's height, making it about 1/3 of its overall length. Finally, gently sketch the roofline, ensuring it slopes smoothly from the front to the rear. Now let's refine the body details. Carefully define the window shapes, aiming for that sleek, narrow profile characteristic of the RS7. Next, add the distinct character lines that run along the side panels, giving the car its dynamic appearance. Sketch the prominent wheel arches, making sure they are slightly flared to accommodate the large wheels. Finally, outline the door lines, ensuring they follow the car's natural flowing curves. Moving to the front and rear, focus on the iconic features. Begin by drawing the signature hexagonal grille, a defining element of the Audi RS7 aggressive front fascia. Next, sketch the sharp, angular headlights and taillights, paying attention to their precise shapes. Don't forget to include the large, functional air intakes on the front bumper, which contribute to its sporty look. Finally, add the distinctive dual oval exhaust pipes at the rear. For the final touches, let's bring your drawing to life. Detail the multi-spoke wheels, paying attention to the intricate design, and add the visible brake calipers behind them. Next, introduce subtle shadows beneath the car and within its various recesses to give it depth and dimension. Use highlights to suggest reflections on the sleek bodywork, enhancing its metallic appearance. Finally, carefully erase any remaining construction lines for a clean, polished finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.